Hey everyone, welcome to Guide on How to Change Taobao to English. Let's dive right in. If you're using the mobile app, changing languages isn't straightforward. Unlike websites, app languages can't be easily switched. So, the simplest approach is to use a desktop computer. First, visit the Taobao website. Initially, it won't be in English, but a pop-up might appear, offering to translate it from Chinese to English. If you accidentally close the pop-up, don't worry, simply click on the three vertical dots at the top right corner of the screen. From the drop-down menu, select Translate to reopen the translation option. You'll be able to choose your preferred language, in this case, English. Once you've made your choice, click Done. Now, you'll see the website translated into English. Though the translation may not be perfect, hover over the text and allow some time for better accuracy. This way, you'll understand what's happening on the Taobao site. And there you have it. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share if you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching.